Menteri Rangba Gajala Konrad Kongkal Sangma Ubariu Shongkonor jangka kenhun ki Menteri Sorkar bapenya ke Jingiakhalai lani ke kasino ulong baga Khajna ke Treikam Haka Jingiakhalai kasino bat karukom Kenya Haka no karukom onlum ke Khajna la yekren bah Haka ne ke benta bat hapapoi ke Jingiakhalai online ye kita ke benta dang yekren bat online kladap ben yekren kinsa Shim yekarai Haka Jingiakhalai sekilat pathai kubor hanong ba Delhi hadin ke Jingialang Konrad Kongkal Sangma Kumsyong Konor ka kenhun ki Menteri Sorkar ulong magani ka kenhun kan long tang kanong ay jumut siya ka Sorkar pedeng bat ha ka bakadu ya karay ban Shim kan long ha ka Sorkar pedeng ki kin long tang kinong ay jumut Menteri Rongba ulong ru ba yamanta ompat la ban Pynbna namar kinong don ki kendon ki bakim pat la ban itu pai ba henry kin sa itu ha ka por ka babyang ya ka ke bagila Shim rai.
There is no doubt about that. But how the mechanism is to be evolved, to be worked out, is the issue, which we are applying our mind very closely.
Do you have a silence that it will be on the gross gaming revenue to be taxed?
As I said, there is an element of legal opinion also being taken to shore up the thing further.
So what about
the gross gaming revenue, sir? See, we are talking of three different games.
Yes.
All games are not the same. And this GUM is being asked to look into three separate games which function in three very, very different ways. The gross gaming revenue is something that is applicable in, say, casino, and the methodology on where and how should be collected are areas which we're looking at. So all these things are being debated. When it comes to areas of online and the other games, issues of coming under skills and chance are these issues that are being debated.
So will there be a differentiation between game of skill and game of chance?
All these opinions and legal stands will be taken, and then accordingly we will arrive to a conclusion very, very soon. So therefore we have decided to move forward. I cannot give you more details right now.
So the rate is final. The rate is 28%.
Again, as I said, we don't want to disclose anything right now. It's not appropriate for us because, as I said, as a GUM, we have to maintain our we will arrive to a conclusion very, very soon. So therefore we have decided to move forward. I cannot give you more details right now.
So the rate is final. The rate is 28%.
Again, as I said, we don't want to disclose anything right now. It's not appropriate for us because, as I said, as a GUM, we have to maintain our the details within the GUM. And more importantly, the GUM is going to submit the report to the council. So ultimately, it is the council that's going to take the decision. These are just recommendations, suggestions.
So when is the next GUM meeting likely?
We are hopeful that within the next 1 week to 10 days, we should be able to close this and come to a final.
For the legal opinion, sir, who have you?
All
We
the
will
three will
finalize
be
that.
different. Will the valuation of
Exactly. So
will
the
be
point
different for all the three?
The point is that these are all three different games, and hence we cannot have the same formula going through all. So that's the complication that comes in, and we are working on all these things. That's the reason why this particular GUM is taking slightly more time, because it's a very complex issue, and it's got a lot of legal aspects to it, and different court rulings are there. All these things have to be taken into consideration. And as I said, most importantly, these are three games which are completely different from each other, but yet the GUM has been made for all three, and we have to it's almost like three GUMs into one, and that's the reason why this is slightly more complex, but we are approaching the end, and we're hopeful that in the next 1 week, 10 days, we should be able to solve.
Whom are you approaching for the legal
We will see.
opinion,
We
sir?
will take a call. Thank you.